So this is my first winter in the BMW M240i. Now I have not really driven it in the snow. This is the first time I have driven it in any sort of significant snow. Let's go. Ooh. A little sideways there. That was good. Now the best part about this is you can drift around and not destroy your tires. Or at least not nearly as much. I do not care much about these tires because I'm going to be replacing them at some point in the spring, and then I'm going to be getting winter tires when winter comes back around in 2022, December, November? Is that when winter technically starts? I don't even know. All these trucks out here, and I'm just in my little two-door Beamer, thinking I'm cool, thinking I'm thebomb.com. Remember when that was the saying? Now let's get some more slippity slidies. Woo. Love that. Still trying to learn how this car behaves in the snow because I don't really know. So that was not a very clean drift at all. Will it be worth it to go into the stadium where probably nothing's open? Oh yeah, that's the police. Good thing I did not go into the stadium there, because that would have been a no-no. All right, just cruising down slowly to the red light as to not slip and slide into the good sir or madame in front of you. Always brake early, especially if you are on garbage all-season tires, like most people in this area tend to be. All right, let's go this way. I don't really think the roads are good enough to get any. Ooh. Well, that was that was fun. A little sideways. That's a Fed. Alrighty then. Oh, you know, there are very few cars on the road tonight, so it only makes sense that a lot of them are police. Wow, I'm surprised I did not get sideways there. But, you know, the roads aren't that bad. Overall, the M240 in the snow, it's doing the job, I guess. So while I don't recommend going out in conditions like this, sometimes you gotta, and you gotta know how to do it. Sometimes you gotta go out in the snow, and you gotta get that practice to know how to drive in the snow. Otherwise, you know, things that are bad can happen. No, I didn't even turn traction completely off on this drive. I didn't want to. I kept it in Sport Plus. So I can't imagine how it would have been if I kept traction completely off. That would have been pretty bad. I decided I didn't want to do that. I thought about it, and I decided I didn't want to do that. Now this street is particularly snowed on. Oh, that's a big parking lot. Ooh, that's a big parking lot. Should I do it? I'm gonna do it. Okay. Under video surveillance, never mind. I'm not gonna do it. Just gonna turn around and pretend I wasn't here. Oh boy, jeez. All right. Still alive. Still alive. Yeah, I'm gonna head home because the roads are getting a little too slippery here. Sort of pooped myself a little bit on the last one, not even gonna lie. All-wheel drive is weird. Drifting all-wheel drive is weird. Also, drifting at all is weird. I've not done it. I came from a front-wheel drive car that definitively did not drift. Getting into something with any power and drifting is an unknown to me. Well, that was fun. All right, I've had my fun for the night. I know the roads aren't bad, but it is very possible to bring your sporty cars out, bring them out, learn how to drive in inclement conditions, because you can practice going a little sideways at much safer speeds. If you crash the car, you're only hurting the car, not yourself. Maybe that's not true. Don't listen to that advice. That was bad advice. Sometimes you just gotta go out in the snow. You have to learn how your car handles inclement weather. you gotta know how to handle the car when things go not perfectly. All in all, I would say this trip was a success. Had a good time. I got a little sideways, had my fun, didn't get arrested, didn't crash. Oh God. Mr. Snowplow. Oh my God. Okay, I'm safe.